Alright, I bought a box of mystery vinyl figures, mystery minis from the new Disney movie Coco. I actually have not seen this movie yet. I cheated. I read the movie spoiler. It sounds very cute, and I will absolutely watch it when it comes out on DVD. I watch it from home. So, sometimes I do read the movie spoiler before I watch a movie to see if I think it's actually worth spending like $26 to see a movie with my husband. Really, it's extremely expensive here to watch movies, so I only go to the movies if I think it's going to be exceptionally good. And this movie does sound good, don't get me wrong. I can wait till video. So, but I read the movie spoiler. I'll try not to say too much because I don't want to spoil it for you guys, but it's a very cute cartoon. I will definitely see it when it comes out on video. So this is a box of 12, and and there are 8 different figurines, and so the boy, his name is Miguel. It is not Coco. Coco is his like grandma or great grandma. I think it's his grandma. And then his dog is Dante, and then the Land of the Dead version of Dante, and then another character, Ernesto, and then Hector, and then the Day of the Dead Hector version, and then Miguel as the Day of the Dead, and then another character, Imelda. So, well, they call it the Land of the Dead, but I bought this because I actually love Day of the Dead stuff, and so I know that I will like this movie when I watch it, so that's why I bought it. Anyway, so there are some a little more rare than others, so let's see what we got. So first off, I got my handy letter opener, so I want to open the boxes nicely. I don't want to destroy them. So I am just going to go real quick and pop open each box real quick, and then I will open the black bag. So these are easy to pop open. They don't put much glue on it. They're all in black bags. If you've never done Funko's mystery minis. So anyway, I don't want to destroy the boxes. So. Alright, so the most common one is going to be Miguel as his Land of the Dead character, 1 and 4. So, and then the most rare one is going to be Dante, Ernesto, and Imelda. Imelda. Oh my god, I'm probably not pronouncing these wrong. I'm sorry. Oh, let's see. Oh my god, they're pretty much stuck in there. Let me. Come on, slide out. Alright. Ooh, that one was heavy. Alright, so since there is 8 characters and I got 12 boxes, we will definitely be getting some duplicates. There's no guarantee that I'll get a complete set, even though I bought a case, or a box, however you say it. There's a very good chance I will get a complete set, but I bought enough to know these that sometimes I don't. Most of the time I do, but sometimes you don't. Alright, so here we go. Put those to the side. Here's the nice box. Okay, so I'm going to cut and open. So this one, first one is Ernesto, his living version. Okay. Next one is Miguel, is his Land of the Dead character. That's the most common one. Hopefully I don't get too many of his. And then here is his friend Hector. Oh, he's not going to stand. I hate when they make him top heavy. I swear to God, Funko needs to get some new designers. Okay. And then here is the Ernesto Land of the Dead version. That one does stand up. Why will this one not stand up? Oh my god. I don't know why Funko does that. They really should test these toys before they make them. It's not going to stand up. Alright, this one's small. Hopefully this is the dog. Please do not be another Miguel. Oh, okay, it is Miguel. Is his living version. Okay, that's cute. No duplicates yet. Oh, here's the duplicate. This is Hector. Is Land of the Dead version. Which I think Hector only has. I don't think he has a living version. Let's see, this one's another big one, so this one is going to be Ernesto. Alright, so we got 2 duplicates. Oh no, come on. I want the dog, Dante. Let's get the dog, Dante. Okay. Oh, and then the character Imelda. And then, these are so cute. I really like these. Oh good, thank goodness we got Dante's as his Land of the Dead. So it is a dog with wings. So cute. I love it. That's my favorite. Put that right there. Alright, let's see. Another Miguel is his Land of the Dead version. Alright, so I need one more. I need Dante. Oh, there it is. I did get a complete set. Yay. Isn't he cute? Alright. And then I got another Miguel. So yeah, that was the one that's most common. And as you can see, oh good, that came off. I was like, sometimes Funko's quality control is not the best. Okay. And our dominoes. Oh my god, I just knocked them all over. Jeez Louise. Okay. So, of course I got 3 Miguel because that's the most common. 1 out of 4. But it's cute. I like it. Okay. I give up. I keep knocking them over. But this is the cutest. I love Dante. It's his 2 versions. And then I cannot get Hector to stand up. Totally a design flaw on that one. But they're all so cute. Very good. I like this series. So, kind of makes me want to see the movie, but I'm still going to wait because I want to see Jumanji this weekend. That's the movie I cannot wait to see. Is that not the cutest? I love this one. So, so cute. So, did pretty good. I knew there'd be duplicates, but I did get a complete set. So, very happy with that. Thanks for watching.